Now let's create our new project, our bookstore project. So at any folder that you want, you can open new terminal and just type nbx create expo app at latest, and let's add the template option dash template to choose any template that we want. So now let's press enter. Now we want to use the blank template with TypeScript. Okay. Now let's press enter. Let's pick a name, book store, and press enter. Now let's wait until our project is created. Now our project is ready. Now let's go to open it and open it on VS Code. Now let's run it, npm start, and let's press I to run iOS. Now our new project has been created. We can go to app.tsx and change anything that we want.